just do your research and make sure you invest in one of these and have it for every single product. Hey, what's up? It's Michael. Today I'm going to teach you how to check electrical outlets. So there's two different scenarios. First, you have an electrician come in, rewire the house and put new plugs in, and he is wanting to check. But before you pay him, you're going to want to check the electrical outlets and make sure that it's done to code. The second scenario is you're going to look at a property, everything looks good, but you're in the testing phase. You want to make sure that you don't have a big expense with your electrical. So what you're going to need is one of these tools right here. Now there's a difference. This one has a button and this one doesn't have a button. This one is less money than this one. This one's only about $5 more. I can't remember what I paid for it. I think this was like $15 and this was like $20, but definitely invest a few extra bucks and get this one right here with the button. And I will explain what the button is here in just a few, but for now we are going to test this outlet. We're going to see if it is the code or not. So what you do is, we're going to get rid of that one. So we got this one here. We're going to plug it in. And what you see, there's two little lights. Boom, boom. And if you look just right there, there is a chart that tells you what these three different lights mean. So if you have an open ground, if you have an open neutral, open hot, hot ground reverse, or if it is correct. And what you're looking for is it to be correct. So now, I told you I was going to tell you what this button is. What we're going to do is we're going to run down to a different type of outlet. So this is your standard regular outlet that you have in bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, basement, so forth. And this one functions in bathrooms or kitchens. So right now, we are going to run down to my kitchen and I'm going to show you right now what this button is for. So let's get it. Boom. Hey, now we're in my kitchen. So what we're going to do right now, let me move this camera in so you can see closely. So now I'm going to explain to you what this button is for. This button is for GFCI outlets. Okay? So these are typically by your waterways, like your bathrooms, your kitchens. They can also be on your exterior. And what happens is these being 3 foot from water, if these get wet, what happens is there's like a little breaker in there and it clicks off. So this is to test the GFCI outlet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in there, and what you see, it is correct because you got the two lights on. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. You see that? Boom, boom. Okay. Now watch. We're going to hit this little button. Ta-da! It just went off. So this means that the GFCI is working correctly. So when you hit that button, it will turn it off. Now if I hit it back again, it does not turn it back on, because what it does is it surges power through these two right here. And when there's a power surge, so basically it gives power to both of these and click, it clicks it off for safety. So if it gets wet, it will connect the connectors inside there and then actually click this off. So what you do to reset it is you hit this button right here that says reset, and then it comes back on, got your checker, plug it back in, and you just make sure you're good. So let's back this camera up. Boop, 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 boop. Am I still there? And whoop, hey. Get a zoom in of my mug. Okay, so that's why you want this tester, because this one is diversified. Like, you can do regular outlets, you can do GFC outlets, but you want to make sure when your electrician has said he's done. Let's see if I can move this down because that's kind of tough to squat. So you want to make sure you go through your house, boom, plug this in, hit the button, and and that is my 3-year-old, so making his debut today on the camera. Anyways, hey, if you got value from this, below just post electrical, okay? And that will let me know that you got value from this video. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, ring that bell so you're notified every single time I put up a new tip, because this tip right here can save you a lot of money. With a lot of contractors out there, you pay the contractor before he's done. Sometimes they won't value your time and you'll have them come back and try to fix something and they'll ghost you, or just take a really long time to get back. Not always, they might just come back and take care of it, but just do your research and make sure you invest in one of these and have it for every single property. I've had this one 5, 6 years, 7 years, I don't know. I mean, they're indestructible. So get you one of those tools, smash the subscribe button, hit that bell, let me know you got value in the comment section. Peace.